I'm gonna let Max has done this probably, what, 1,000 times before? I trust you more than
I've never cut a frame, but I've cut a lot of things.
Wait, what? What's going on YouTube? Today is finally the day that I've been talking about forever. I'm gonna do a serious mod to my truck. I'm gonna do something different on the channel. More of a vlog, more of like a series. Well, today is the first video. We are gonna move the intercooler. We're gonna swap out the bumper. We're gonna cut the frame. Max's Jeep building expertise.
Hey, what's up? Jeep guy in the building. All right, see you later.
Hold up, Max.
Max.
Oh! I think first video, we should definitely get the front bumper taken apart, get the intercooler off, cut the frame, and maybe even install the new intercooler. Not gonna do much. I think it's only gonna lift the truck about 8 inches, 6 inches, but it's gonna help a lot. Like, I'm not gonna take the tires off, so I don't need jacks. So I just wanna get the front of the truck up a little bit, so when we're trying to hold up the bumper and get under there, it's not just like right on your face. When me and Max were working on the exhaust, you remember how shitty that was, right? This is the shit I fucking miss doing, man. I used to do this shit all the time. Back when I had like muscle cars and shit, before I got into like exotics, all I did. Just sat in the garage all night and fucking work on cars. There's 2 more and I think we can take the whole bumper off. Bro, you know what Shop quoted me? Shop quoted me $2,500 to do this. Oh my God, dude. We definitely need fucking impact drivers. Max, I don't think you know what we're about to get into. I read the instructions on how to do the frame cut. I didn't read the intercooler install. We have to relocate like the blowout valve. We have to fucking trim some plastic pieces. And all we have is a Sawzall, so we have to be kind of careful with that. Fuck it. We're too far in now. I'm not gonna undo it. I can't admit defeat and go to a shop. What kind of fucking pussy car YouTuber would I be if I went to a shop?
You can't go to a shop to install a bumper and an intercooler.
That's what I'm saying. That's why you get like a $10,000 project car, not a $80,000 truck. Yeah.
He's bleeding.
It's a rite of passage. What are those? What are you doing? What are those?
Safety goggles. I'm here to fuck your bitch.
So is your new one physically bigger, or does that have more service area? Or?
Oh, you know what, dude? I totally fucking forgot.
What? You gonna
cancel this? Close. 4x4truckleds.com gave me a hell of a discount. The company that makes this bumper and this intercooler that I'm about to show you, talked to them for a while, went back and forth. They offered me, I think, like $200 discount. Wouldn't even really cover shipping. Then after we kind of were like, I was like, nah, fuck that, I'll go with someone else. They reached out to me again, I think someone separate, and again, we're like, we'd love to work with you. We can offer you 2% off. And I'm like, yo, it's like spitting in my face. So, I'm sponsoring 4x4truckleds.com. First link in the description down below. I think they're gonna give me a discount code to give you guys. It'll be on the screen if they did. But they're the ones that kind of hooked it up with all the lights, the bumper, and all that stuff. So, don't be confused. I'm gonna show you these parts. And I'm like, I don't even wanna put these parts in my truck. But I did not work with the company that made these parts. I worked with this company, way better. This is the new intercooler. I mean, so you can see compared to the old one, quite a bit bigger, and it's gonna sit up front, right in front of the big ass grill, instead of kind of hidden down here that it was before. So, out of breath. Thing's heavy. I think I just cut my finger again.
Nice.
I'm gonna let Max has done this probably, what, 1,000 times before? I trust you more than
I've never cut a frame, but I've cut a lot of things.
Wait, what?
I've cut
It's not what you tell me. Where it starts to be?
They have a completely different angle.
No.
Is this upside down?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got like, yeah. sensors all up there.
Fuck them. You don't need them.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, now you just gotta help.
Guys, go follow Max. He's on YouTube if you didn't know that already.
We're gonna build a project Jeep, coilovers, 1 tons, 40-inch tires, bitch.
So you guys want to see more projects going down at the Fuel Force factory? Fuel Force factory or Fuel Force warehouse? If this video gets more than 3,000 likes, Max has to buy a Wrangler. I don't get that many likes, dude. So
5,000 likes.
5,000 likes and you'll buy it next week.
All right.
Okay, you can't eat again, huh? You're on diet?
Yeah.
You're not. You want to go get food? All right, let's get a ride home with, you think we can drive it home right now? I think it'll be all right. I think the cold air will just go straight into the pipes and it'll be fine.
Government conspiracy, those hoses do nothing.
Intercoolers aren't real, man.
Nope.
You're not real, man.
Nope.
Let's take the RS out for a little cruise.
See you later, dude.
Dude, my two cars could not be any different. Like, I have the most two polar opposite cars ever, and I love it. Like, I love the Raptor just as much as I love this thing. I might have the best duo of cars.
Follow your channel.
I'm actually doing a vlog right now, dude.
2 minutes, we were literally just saying,
Yeah, we
man,
were
I
just
can't
talking
believe we missed Cars and Coffee.
Yeah,
we wanted to go see your
see
GT3
Yeah,
RS.
for
Well, there you go.
And then I heard it pull in, and he's like, is that Jonah's best? I was like, nah, it looks great from here. And then you drove by, we're like,
Bro, I haven't driven it
Yo.
in like a week. This is the first time I've driven it in like a week and a half. So,
it's beautiful, man.
appreciate it, man. Ow. I just missed my mouth. I'm tired. I'm sore. I'm tired. My hands are kind of fucked up from one day.
I think I'm getting the black lung, Bob.
It's not for me, dude. I'm done. If you notice that my videos have been a little bit closer, the last two at least, I don't know if maybe it was from this one. I broke my 16 to 35. Very expensive lens. It won't autofocus anymore. Not good. So until I get it fixed, though, I am using a 24 millimeter, quite a bit closer. You guys can see all my fucking skin pores and acne, and it's not good.
A few moments later.
All right, that's gonna be the end of the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Smash the subscribe button, comment down below, hit the like button if you want to see Max buy a Jeep. This video is going to be continued in the next video. We have a lot of work to do in the morning, Max. We're gonna be busy, probably all day tomorrow. And also, I said 2 videos ago I was gonna start featuring a car, one of your cars at the end of my video if you tagged the Fuel Force in your Instagram post, and I forgot to do it last video. So this week's person I'm gonna feature is Gen 4 Raptor, spelled with a J. It's a pretty badass blue Gen 1 Raptor. Go figure with his name. Tag your post on Instagram, the Fuel Force, be featured in my next video. Let's sign off, dude. I'm tired. We gotta get up super early in the morning. Pick this up tomorrow. Goodbye.
Clickbait. I almost sliced my arm off.
I almost died.